Let's talk about another aspect of engagement that is a sort of critical, not always desirable form of 21st century engagement. That's global health. And it's not just HIV, AIDS, malaria, but when you were Secretary of Homeland Security,
Pandemic.
you had to worry about SARS, you had to worry about smallpox, you had to worry about plague, you had to worry about all those kinds of things. What's the next administration going to be worrying about?
I think the greatest challenge we have with regard to world health is the transparency that these international health organizations need in order to respond quickly to a potential pandemic. How much information are countries willing to share? I think there have been examples in the past where China, Vietnam, and a few others have gotten around to advising the World Health Organization and others that there were some potential problems. So I think that the next big challenge for these organizations is to build a sense of trust and an appreciation that, given the globalization of travel, that what you might think is limited to your province or a particular region in your country could end up being at the epicenter of a world pandemic, and we all have an interest in identifying it and dealing with it as quickly as we can.
And in terms of HIV, AIDS, malaria, these kinds of communicable diseases that ravage young people and addressing those and how that happens to fall in America's national interest. Where does that fit on the list of priorities for this next president, do you believe?
I would hope it would look pretty high, whether it's Republican or Democrat.